Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a common problem that many users encounter. The issue of problem. Whether you're a beginner or a tech-savvy individual, dealing with problem can be frustrating. But fret not, as we have a solution that will help you resolve this issue in no time. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key to fixing problem lies in solution. By solution, you'll be able to tackle problem effectively. This straightforward approach will save you time and effort, allowing you to get back to using your device without any hassle. Remember, solution is the way to go. In addition to solution, another helpful tip to consider is solution. Implementing this alongside the previous solution will enhance your problem-solving skills and equip you with the knowledge to address similar issues in the future. With these strategies in place, you'll be better equipped to handle problem whenever it arises. How convenient is that? In summary, problem might be a common occurrence, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can overcome it like a pro. Remember to solution to effectively troubleshoot problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.